2022 Ford Edge. I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to the radio via Bluetooth. So what you want to do is hit this home button up in the corner. And then we can go to settings, or just hit your settings button. Go to Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on right here.
Search for your...
Here's what it looks like when it's turned off. And then when you turn it on, it turns blue, and then it has the option to add a Bluetooth device. So then we'll go to add Bluetooth device. Now, if you already have a phone that's paired on here, or someone's paired a phone before and never removed it, there'll be another option right here that says Bluetooth device list. You can go through that to get to add a Bluetooth device, or you can just click add a Bluetooth device here. We'll see that in a minute after we pair ours. So go to add Bluetooth device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Okay, so now it's searching for a phone and it's made itself discoverable. So we're going to go on our phone and search for the radio. So the first thing is make sure your Bluetooth is on. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Turn it on if it's not. And then we're probably going to have to go to your Bluetooth settings and go to search. On Android, there's a little gear button. We'll hit that. And then I'll go to connected devices. I know my phone's cracked up, sorry. And we're going to go to pair new device right here. Pair new, oh look, there it is, Ford Escape. So we'll click that. Now, up on the radio, it'll say, hey, I'm going to send a code to your phone.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So there, and then it'll show it on your phone as well, right there. So hit pair on both your phone and the radio. Hit yes and yes. Do it kind of quickly, otherwise it might time out.
For safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Okay, so sorry about that blurriness, but now it says we're good. Now, once you get your phone connected, it might say, hey, do you want 911 assist? That's so like if you get in a car crash, your phone will call the police, or the car will. Automatic contact download. The 911 is up to you. But I recommend doing the contact download and all that because you could see who's calling you and stuff on your car. But basically after that, you're pretty much good. When you go to audio, if you want to listen to your phone, you'll go to audio and then come up here where it says sources. You'll hit sources and then you'll just go to your phone name, which is over here. My phone name is Test Phone. That's why it looks like that. And then you should be able to listen to your music. Now, real quick, guys, if you want to remove a phone, so like whenever you start your car, the radio will look for a phone to pair to. So say like you have like your spouse or like your friend that was using your car or whatever, and it's looking for their phone. If you want it to be on your phone only, we got to remove their phone. So let's go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and then go to view devices right here. And then whoever's phone you want to remove, you just click on it. Mine was the test phone. I'm going to remove it. And then we'll go to, you can either go disconnect, so it doesn't disconnect, or remove. We'll go to remove. And then now this radio will never look for their phone again. Well, I should say it's supposed to not do it. Sometimes it'll find it anyway, sometimes, but it's supposed to not to. Anyways, guys, that's it. So hopefully this video helps you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GuillermoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.